Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Broadview Park local and long-distance movers near me. Broadview Park is a city you can drive around within one day. But that doesn't mean you have the expertise to move your items yourself. You may know the city inside out, but handling things and packing them is where the problem is. Most household items have fragile parts, which you may not know. Any mistake with these parts, and you may suffer thousands of dollars in damage. Hiring our Broadview Park local TM movers will ensure a smooth ride. We have experts with enough experience in the packing and loading service. We don't just pack items without thinking about how we'll load them in the truck. This will save you time, and you'll get your items without delay. More so, our staff are super familiar with the locality of Broadview Park. While you consider it a small town, there may be faster routes to the new destination. Likewise, some roads aren't the safest or fastest to pass because of crime and traffic, respectively. 3 Movers Broadview Park always knows the best decisions to make. Our Broadview Park long-distance team at 3 Movers is one of the best you can find. One of the benefits of hiring us is the transparency in our pricing. We offer you affordable long-distance bills per hour. Plus, you won't be paying any amount without knowing what you're paying for. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Broadview Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.